Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I'm going to show you bookstore application, or you can say bookstore project in ASP.NET Core, how to design it. In later video session I will cover it, the basic things behind the bookstore application and bookstore project. So if you want to buy this project, this is my PayPal ID, and if you want to donate this some dollars, you can choose that PayPal accounts narendkumar851@gmail.com, and project price is $20, and a simple project, and quite simple. You learn lots of things about the shopping carts and the bookstores from these projects. I think it's a well designed project, or a well coded project. You can learn lots of things about the ASP.NET Core, so you can purchase it by using PayPal narendkumar851@gmail.com. Just cost cheapest price, that is $20, and you can check the functionalities of the bookstore project in it. So let's to start how the project will work. So first of all, just run your project, and you can see here we have two books in the project that is related to the health and the database system. So first of all, register into the system. So just type the username which is typed by you, that is Smith, and email is related to the Smith IDs, that is smith@gmail.com, etc. That is the demo applications. So password is there, and the name is Smith, and the contact number 124, and this number is temporary, and New York City. Okay, so just click on the register button. Okay, that's the user will register in the project. After that, the user will purchase any book which is mentioned in the project, that is, and just go to the cart and check, and also edit the quantities. After update the quantity, you can delete also the cart items, delete. And that is the fast processing system I have to use in this project. So this is the thing you can do by the user, and just click on the details, and another book, that is add to cart, and check to the cart. There is proceed to the payments, card number, card name, card number, and expiry number, and the CVV number, etc. You can put it. So it's a very simple thing implemented in this project, so you can purchase it in just $20. So place the order quantity is 1, and just log out after the order, and that is the order date. Just log out and log in into the admin section. Okay, so this is the admin section, and this is the admin navigation bar. Welcome admin, bookstore, category, orders, authors, books, users, logout features. So there is mentioned booked, that is the book ID, and the book name, price, quantity, total amount, user ID, and the order date. Okay, so usually you have to search any orders. So there is features, and if you want to add a new bookstore in the application, so just you can add, and just click on the create new button, and the book name, bookstore name is any bookstore. Okay, so edit, delete, and the card feature is also mentioned. There is, and category of the books is also there, order is also there, books is also there, create a new book, and in which we have to add the name of the book, and ISBN number of the books, descriptions, price, picture URI, and the select bookstore, select book author, and the categories of the books, like the programming, health, sports, history, etc. So select bookstore after choosing the picture URI, and the select book author. That is also already mentioned in the drop down list, and there is the category of the books. So author is there. How to add a new author also, CURD operation on the author also performed. Book, there is the given book is already stored. Add new book, delete new book, and edit also CURD operation is there. And the last one is the users and categories. So lots of options available in the bookstore applications, and that project built in ASP.NET Core with the SQL Server. So just create a new book, there is, and the fast processing system have to design in ASP.NET Core. So just purchase it by the PayPal accounts. So thank you very much for watching this video.